Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Thrasher Scooter, and I got my sponsor pack right here from Juan Ortega from Wangster decks. It's a custom split ply, and I'm really psyched on this, so let's get started. Okay, this just gonna pull out top one. Hold up. Oh, whoa! Yee. 4 sheets of uncut. Nice. Yeah, you guys got new, like a stamp there or something. It's got a new stamp there, so it's pretty nice. Got my grit. Alright, here's the deck. Oh, snap. Damn, dude. Wait, whoa! You sent me. I think this is a Soli deck. Hold up. Oh my god, this deck's nice. Wow. This deck's so sick. It's got a nice concave. Oh, the plays are nice. Hold up. Let me check that out. Dude, I got this fucking speckle right there. Hold up. Damn it. It's like this lame ass. Oh, damn it. Alright, ignore that. Yeah, this applies. It's like it's a white, it goes from white bird's eye to brown to natural brown and then natural. It's got really deep concave. That deck's pretty sick. Alright, so thanks, Juan. And then hold up. This is the sponsor deck I was waiting for. Nice. It's pretty sick. Yee. This is the split ply I got. I told him to put extra lacquer on it. It looks nice as hell. Yeah, and then it's got a black top ply, which is pretty interesting. It's pretty sick. And then the plies, I told him to give me a red middle ply. So, check that out. Oh crap. Focus. Right. Yeet. That's it. This deck's awesome. I'm gonna set it up. Or I'm gonna switch these two out. And hopefully it's just gonna look nice. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Juan. And yeah, I'm gonna set this up. What's up, you guys? I put it all together and this is how it looks like. So I totally forgot to tell you, but this is one of the new molds that we have now, and that should be coming out soon. It's got medium kicks, medium concave, all around pretty nice deck. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And I put a grip job on there. Yeah, it's a split ply. So that deck's really awesome. Thank you so much, Juan. And yeah. Go check out Wangster decks and please.